Hey people, good morning. The morning is very good on my side. I'm on my way to Limbe. Oh my god. You know, as a YouTuber, you cannot just leave your house. Why? You need to make content out of it. So I'm leaving my house now and I'm going to Limbe to gather content for you.
Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing gold his eyes, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key?
In Limbe, and I'm here with Mr. Limbe. What is a trip to Limbe without a connection? So I have my connection. Let's have fun. Hey people, so we're in Limbe and we are at Ayuta's place, but you know, your girl loves eating. We want to have breakfast before any other thing. Before any other thing, we want to have breakfast. So Ayuta is taking us to somewhere nice. Cafeteria.
Yeah, and breakfast in Limbe is typically not bread.
Okay.
Yeah, it's first and foremost the traditional bread which we call blockade.
Blockade.
So we'll have a look at that and of course have a taste.
Alright, I can't wait. This is our blockade. Ayuta, enjoy your meal.
I'm the king. No bread, yeah.
Yes, I'm telling you, the real bread. Don't be play. Okay, so we want to have breakfast. I just love seeing this. Reminds me of my childhood. Hey people. So at this point, Ayuta and I are at Downbeach, Limbe. It is a very popular spot in Limbe, the most touristic spot in Limbe actually. You can come here to feel the breeze, ride a horse, eat fresh fish, and more. Depends on what you want. So this is what your Downbeach looks like. Downbeach is well known for having a lot of debris from the sea. Look at that.
Lorraine has come across a snakefish that's dead and she's very scared. A snakefish.
Sam Maurice. Yeah, they call me a fish doctor. I don't know if it's been around 15 years now.
Okay. And you roast now, which kind of fish them?
All kind of fish will come up inside water. All one will come up inside sea with the roaster. Bar, we get soil, we get carp, we get mackerel, we get all kinds of fish with the roaster and roaster. Varieties of fish, depending on the customer's desire. Any customer come in, know the kind of fish you want to chop. Any dairy, then we roast them for you.
So before you want roaster, you do how with the fish?
You go to clean them, you wash them, you season them before you start roasting.
Now wait to make your own fish different. Now wait to
good spices, good pepper, clean. Those are the characteristics that makes it good fish now.
Well, I'm moving from YouTube to office.
There you go. Thank you so much for staying with me throughout this video, and coming next is our visit to the little village near Downbeach where fish is smoked. Amazing, right? I urge you to stay tuned to much more content on this Limbe series. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.